In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue where an image appears outside the grid in Wix. This can be a common problem when designing your website and might make your site look unprofessional or not aligned correctly. So let's dive in and get your images back where they belong. First, you want to open up your Wix website editor. Simply head over to your site by visiting the Wix editor URL or accessing it from your Wix dashboard. This is essentially the control hub for all things design on your Wix site, where you'll have the freedom to customize and personalize your website. Once you're inside the editor, the next step is to find the Tools option on the top menu bar. This is a pivotal feature, as it unlocks several functionalities that aid in editing your design with precision. Click on it, and here you'll be able to access some essential options that help you modify and monitor your website's structure. After selecting Tools, you'll notice various features, but what we're going to focus on is layers. By clicking on layers, you open up a detailed view of every element on your page. This feature is extremely beneficial because it allows you to see the hierarchy and arrangement of objects, including images, text, and other elements that might overlap or be misplaced. Now, with the Layers tool at your disposal, you can begin the search for the image that is causing trouble. Scroll through your list of layers to locate the image that appears outside the grid. If your site consists of multiple images, take your time to ensure that you select the right one. This utility provides a clearer layout of your design, allowing you to recognize which elements are off the grid and need adjustment. Once you've identified the image, it's all about moving it back into place. This may require dragging the image directly on the page or adjusting its settings via the layer menu, depending on how it was initially set. Through this methodical approach, you ensure that your website looks polished and functions correctly across different devices. Remember, having images properly aligned not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your site, but also contributes positively to your viewers' user experience. That's all there is to it. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to rewind portions of the video if you need extra clarification, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I wish